Flash of inspiration. Unveiling the spark within. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that captures a moment of sudden genius. Flash of inspiration. This phrase is not just about ideas. It's about those incredible moments when creativity strikes out of the blue. Let's embark on this journey together to understand its meaning and how you can use it to describe your own moments of brilliance. A flash of inspiration refers to a sudden, unexpected moment when a creative idea or solution to a problem comes to mind. Imagine lightning illuminating the sky for a brief moment. Similarly, a flash of inspiration illuminates the mind with clarity and understanding that was not present just seconds before. This phenomenon is often unexpected and can provide profound insights or innovative ideas. Let's bring this phrase to life with some examples. A flash of inspiration can occur at any time, whether you're taking a shower, going for a walk, or just about to fall asleep. For instance, a writer might suddenly think of the perfect ending for their story, or a scientist could unexpectedly discover a solution to a complex problem they've been pondering for weeks. These moments are powerful and can lead to significant breakthroughs. Using flash of inspiration in conversation or writing not only enriches language but also precisely describes a unique cognitive experience. You can say, "I had a flash of inspiration while looking at the stars last night," to express that a moment of clear, creative thought struck you unexpectedly. It's a versatile phrase that fits well into narratives about creativity, problem-solving, and sudden realizations. While flashes of inspiration might seem random, there are ways to foster an environment where they're more likely to occur. Encourage constant learning, remain open to new experiences, and give yourself time for reflection and relaxation. Creativity thrives in relaxed and open states of mind, so nurturing your curiosity and allowing your mind to wander can set the stage for these brilliant moments. We hope this exploration of the flash of inspiration has illuminated its meaning and inspired you to recognize and cherish these moments in your own life. Remember, great ideas can come when you least expect them, lighting up your path to discovery and creativity. Thank you for joining us, and keep an eye out for those flashes of inspiration in your daily adventures.